Hello everybody. So I want to show you the quickest way, the quickest hack I found as an architect using AI. So I recently started my business, and as you can imagine, starting a business requires a lot of resources, and of which some are quite expensive. And if you're in the architecture and interior design space, you know how expensive our software is, your drafting software and your rendering software. So I found ChatGPT to be quite useful, and I discovered a hack to render. So I use it to render my 3D views, which I would have exported from Revit. So I'm just gonna show you very quickly how quick it is and how cheap it is. I am on a paid subscription with ChatGPT, so I'm not quite sure how far it would go with, or how accurate it would be with the free plan, but I'm assuming it would probably do pretty good. So I'm gonna go and use an image that I got, that I extracted from my Revit file, and all I'm gonna say is make the attached image, or rather render the attached image to look realistic. So maybe just to show you what the image looks like, well, I'll show that at the end. As we wait, and there you go, perfect. And from here, what I would do, I mean, the nice thing about ChatGPT is it adds, other features, and you can also request for it to add some things. So I'm gonna ask it to add some cupboard doors on that open shelf behind, and also add, okay, I think typically do one thing at a time so that you're not getting it confused. So we're gonna add doors on that back open shelf there. So you go to edit and you say add timber doors to conceal the open shelves. It's just the greatest way to do some conceptual. I use it a lot for concept designs, instead of wasting a lot of time. See, there you have it. instead of wasting a lot of time going through, you know, your full design process and only for the client to say no, they don't like it. ChatGPT, the best. So there you have it.